Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Say hi! She's now going paddleboarding with Daddy. I have just got back from doing a food shop, so I thought I would show you our food shop. As always, family of 5, kids are at home obviously. I had a massive clear out of the pantry and the freezers, so this was a really big restock. So if you like these videos, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, let's jump in. Right, this is the shopping. It was 155, but there is some clothes in here as well. So yeah, I went to Tesco's and I'm gonna show you the frozen stuff first. I also quickly went to Lidl afterwards. That's included in the price. I got 2 of these garlic pizza breads for 89p each. 2 lots of peppers from Lidl, and my chicken and mince were from Lidl, but everything else was from Tesco's. But I'm just going to put the frozen stuff away. So I've got edamame beans, corn crispy nuggets, and some vegan sausage rolls for Aria. I am going to put these away and then we'll come back and do the rest because it's very hot in here. My frozen stuff is away, so I will show you. I got some, let me see if I can show you here, black flares. They're just like a ribbed kind of material. I've got them in dark green, and they're just black flares for me. They were £15. And then I got Mika some school dresses, some pinafores, because she starts a new school in September and she has to have a different uniform, so she has got those and they were £14. So let's get on to the food. That's Chippy. I got some Kitten Food for little Chippelinda. 2 lots of these proper chips, they were on offer, and the other one's over there. Monster Munch, again on offer. I got myself one of these Echo Falls peach and mango. These are just delicious, like with loads of ice. They're so yummy. My protein shakes were on offer. These were £1.25 instead of £2. The white chocolate UFIT ones, 25 grams of protein, and I turn them into a protein coffee in the morning because I don't like eating breakfast. And then I got a couple of the little chocolate ones as well. Cauliflower. I got some red lentil pasta to try, which I've never had before, but I thought that looked really nice. Bacon, chicken, and some mince. The mince and the chicken will be split into portions and then frozen. I got some little cherry tomatoes, an avocado, an iceberg, 3 lots of juice. There's more over there. So I've got 3 lots of cherries and berries. As I said, I got the peppers from Lidl for Aria. These are the seedless ones. She can just eat the whole thing. I got myself some bagel thins. So we've got caffeine-free Cokes, some nutritional yeast because we nearly ran out, breadsticks for the kids to have as a snack, sweet corn, a couple of cans. My friend was with me and she recommended these as a veggie sausages, so we've got them to try. Raspberries. I got this on offer. This was £12 on a club card price, and it's a peach tea protein, so I thought we'll give that a go. Onions, the other one of these, proper chips, some bagels for Aria, 2 lots of crisps for the kids, some fruits, rainbow drops for their snacks, 3 lots of orange squash, Gary again, candy floss grapes, some wraps. Finally got my hands on these. I've been wanting to try these for ages, so we'll see what they're like. The other cherry squash, beans, apples, 2 lots of these. Fox loves these, but I just can't ever find them anywhere, so I was really happy to see them. He's already had one of these little yogurt drinks, again on offer. E-cover fabric softener, some phyllo, sausage rolls, almond milk drink, yogurt, butter, parmesan, mozzarella, big cheddar, some Stilton because I'm making soup, cream cheese, 2 lots of white vinegar, and then a disinfectant spray because mine's just run out. But that was, oh, I'm stuck to the chair. That was the shopping and a cat. I'm going to put it away and then we'll have a chat about the meal plan in a bit. Hi, it is 4 days after filming the food shop video. I just completely forgot to film the end of it, so I thought I would come on and quickly do it now. Last night we had egg fried rice. Tonight the kids have requested spaghetti bolognese. Me and Mika are now filming a video making bacon and lentil soup, which will be lunches for the week. I think we're also going to have a curry one night. I cleaned out the freezers and I found some frozen pizza dough, so I think we're going to have pizzas one night. And then I imagine the kids will have a freezer feast of some description. And a freezer feast in our house is like chicken nuggets, fish fingers, waffles, things like that. And Ben usually just gets given a plate of things that there's like bags of little things, like there'll be a quarter of a bag of chips or 2 hash browns, some random sausages, and I'll just cook all of that, and then Ben will just have that as his dinner. On those nights I usually have noodles or something, because I'm not the biggest fan of a freezer feast, but everyone else in the house likes it and it uses up what's in the freezer. So yeah, that's it basically. I'm now making myself an omelette for breakfast, and the bacon and lentil soup video will come soon. I'm also going to film, someone requested I do the chickpea curry video, so I'm going to do that, and I'm going to do my cauliflower wings as well. So yeah, anything else you want me to cook, let me know and I will see if I can do it.